Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at a budget-friendly, reasonable, good quality selfie stick. The selfie stick has some notable features. Make it very easy to handle. And key features we can see phone clip and built-in light and height adjustable and tripod functionality, portable and lightweight quality. Also we can see, wow, look at, very nice. Height adjustable is a very nice clip type, horizontal vertical adjustable, 360-degree adjustable, and light also available, light also rechargeable light. And tripod functionality is a very good, portable design, and Bluetooth remote also available. look at look at, very super nice, very low price and normal quality selfie stick, 360-degree rotation adjustable. Attach your phone to the clip, adjust the height and set up tripod. Oh, nice, very nice. Look at tripod, it is a remote, it's very super remote. We can clip the phone, attach your phone to the clip, and we have to adjust the screw. Look at, very nice. In top position, light available, remote control is very nice. Yeah, we will pair the remote via Bluetooth. If you see, the Bluetooth is connected very properly. Once Bluetooth gets paired, we confirm the connection between the remote and phone. After completing the phone pair process, let's check out video demo. I am moving 10 to 20 feet away from my phone. The phone is mounted on the selfie stick, and from here I can take photo, record video, start, stop, everything. It's working amazing. You should see, try this out. It's really amazing. Now I'm going to turn off it. If you feel it's okay, please comment okay. Thank you.